Hi friends, so this video shows how to remove ads from Realme UI. Go to settings, then tap on security, then go down and tap on device ID and ads. So let me go to this statement of advertising and privacy. So this Realme collects some information from our device. Based on that information, it shows ads. So let me see what are the information this Realme collect from the device. You can see device information like device name, device model, operating system, version, device ID, then log information and user activity such as touch, events, phone use records and impressions, then our location including GPS and network positioning, then other information like network environments. So they collect lot of information from our phone, and based on that information it shows ad. And they also use some ID, it's called device ID. So in that device ID they store all this information, then this information they share with advertisement companies. All those things you can read here. So based on that, this ad companies showing the ad. So if you want to disable that, we can enable this option, limit ad tracking. So when we enable this option, actually this Realme does not collect this kind of information from the phone, but it still show the ads, but those ads are not based on the information which are collected from our phone. So I told you they are using some device ID and they are storing this information in based on that in that device ID. So if we can reset that device ID. If you reset that device ID, what will happen? So that way we can clear the history which Realme has collected. So this is option. If you tap on this reset device ID, it will generate a new device ID. That way we can clear the information, or we can delete the information which Realme has collected. So after that we will not get the ads based on the information which they collected. But if you tap on reset, I told you it will create a new ID, right? Then Realme will start collecting the information again, and they will store this information again against this new ID. So actually there is no option to completely block or completely remove the ads, but using these options we can limit the ad. So you can try it.